Have you ever been uploading or editing videos and you're not able to change a thumbnail on YouTube? Well, check out this following video on a trick on how you can go about doing that with the mobile app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can work around not being able to put in a thumbnail on a video that you're currently uploading. As you see, you do have the option where you can toss one in here, but say you have a video that for some reason you can't load the thumbnail and you're trying to find a way to do it and you don't want to have to wait until the video is completely loaded. What you can do is you can upload the thumbnail via the YouTube the Studio Creator app, the mobile app. All you have to do is just pull that up, make sure that you have the thumbnail on your phone, and then you can load that up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to my phone and show you how that works. So if you wanted to go through and upload a thumbnail to a video that you're currently loading, say you start the video loading from your computer and just don't have time to stay with it, you're heading off to work, but you want to make sure that you get your video up and ready as soon as possible, you can use the YouTube Studio Creator app. Just go into the video. You can see that I have a video that's loading on banner creation. Just click on your video. Hit the pencil to go into edit, and you can see you can edit all the different options on here. You can change the title, put in your description, set your playlist and your tags. What you would want to do is go into edit thumbnail, custom thumbnail, and pull up that thumbnail and select and save. And now you'll see that that thumbnail has been attached to that video, and you will have that all set. As you can see now, the thumbnail has been added to the video. It's not just that blank space or random first image. And you'll see that it shows up if you go into the Creator Studio again, so that you don't just see the random image. As I said, this is something that you won't necessarily have to use all the time. It's just a simple trick that you can use just in case you need to quickly upload a video on the fly and then make some changes from your phone. Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel and watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get notified when I release new content. And if you're still interested, please check out the video in the bottom right hand corner to see additional content. Thanks again.